Do you have gray hair? Then stay here, this video was made for you. Darken your white hair at home with just 2 ingredients. Natural, cheap and very easy. For this tip we will need 3 potatoes. We will peel them later because we will use the peels. We will also need 1 liter of water and 6 sachets of black tea. Black tea is a very important ingredient for darkening your hair. If you want to darken it even more, add more than 6 sachets. Guys, peel the 3 potatoes. After that process, put 1 liter of water in a pot to boil. With the potato peelings for 10 minutes. As soon as it boils, you will turn off the heat. Then add the 6 sachets of black tea. Then cover the pot and leave it to melt, to cool. Here it has already cooled down. I am going to remove all the peel from inside the tea, because we will only need the liquid. I have 1 potato cut into small pieces. And I'm going to add it to a blender along with our tea that we prepared. Blend everything very well for 5 minutes. And it's ready. Look at the color it turned out, very top. Wash your hair well. Then remove all the excess water, apply this tea, and leave it for 1 hour. Put on a cap. After all this process, rinse your hair with just water. Do this 3 times a week. The more you do it, the better. You need to do this every week, because then the white hair will not come back.